So any website, first of all, you can live on your particular into using cpanel access. So I'm creating for your domain and your hosting. What is showing for 403 forbidden error. This is one of the SEO error, means your domain hosting will be live, the website will be no content. The website will be no content. Is a major error for SEO, search engine optimization. Some website will showing for 403 error. What is the 404? This is all we discuss on your one by one SEO. Now we discuss about that how we can upload your website files on your cpanel, how we can fix your 403 error. Go to cpanel, click for file manager. So each and every file we can upload option is called public underscore HTML. Yes, select your total files. What are the file you can upload? Select by your upload option. So I'm uploading file. Select your file. Anytime upload your files, only for one time, upload only for one file. Not for multiple file will be not accept. Again, we can't upload the multiple files on using cpanel. Select your download. So what are the files are required? See this. They're not selecting for multiple files. Only selected by the individual files. Upload. They started to upload here. After uploading, I can see the site. The site will go into live. This will be uploaded by individual files, upload by zip files. Any zip files to upload on cpanel, right click. The option call is extract. You can upload the zip format, upload the individual files. This is a very important on particular website to upload your data and using cpanel access.